All right, all right. What's up? What's up, dogs? What it is up? I think I'm excited. All right. Oh, where's my camera? Hold on. Wait a second. Need a camera over here. All right. Give me one sec here. All right. Getting there. There we go. Here we go. All right. So first thing first, let me know if the sound is coming loud and clear. So first thing first, let me know if sound is coming loud and clear. All right. So, no vodka. Roman, what's up? What's up, boy? Are you drinking vodka, Roman? Oh, man. No vodka. Loud and clear. All right. Awesome. All right. Slowly but surely, we got people coming on. Oh, what's up, Clay? What's up? What's up, Rages? What's up, Roman? What's up, Mohammed? What's up, guys? Sound is great. Okay, awesome. Awesome. All right. So, let me welcome you if it's your first time here. This is called Forex Talk Over Beer. This is a really simple concept. I'm just going to crack up a beer with you guys. We're going to have a little drink together and we're going to talk about Forex. So let's talk about Forex. So it can be random subject. Today's going to be pretty a chill episode. We have like probably 2 trades to break down compared to Wednesday. Wednesday, I had a shitload of trades to break down. That actually, if you didn't watch last Wednesday episode, make sure you watch it because there's a ton of values in there. There was also actually some funny story also about that challenge trade that I had my wife helping me managing it while I was away. So it was quite a funny story. So you definitely want to watch Wednesday's episode. So anyway, so long story short, welcome. So concept is really simple. Like I said, we're gonna crack up a beer. And again, if you're having a beer with me, drink wine, shot, vodka, whatever, tea, coffee, because it's in the morning right now because you're watching it. Snap a picture, take a picture. When we're going to do a cheers, I'm going to do a cheers with you guys. Take a picture of your beer doing a cheers with me, post it on Instagram, tag my name in it, and I will reshare it. And I think it's going to be fun. So first thing first, let's crack up this beer. So if you guys want to come on the pre-show, I do a pre-show on Instagram, like probably 10 minutes ish before the show, where I make people select the beer that I'm gonna drink tonight. So people select this beer tonight. It's called Mixtape. This is a New England IPA. This is 6.5%, and we're gonna have a taste of that. They actually chose a glass also. And yeah, and I actually shared. Usually I don't share the pre-show. I actually save the pre-show on IG. So if you want to rewatch it, you guys gonna have a sneak peek on my truck that got clean and the pool that's getting ready. Yeah, I think I'm pretty excited now. Now I can feel summer coming on. So yeah, that smells good. All right, so let's see here. So give me 1 second, guys. I just need to fix something here. Okay, this is good. Okay, okay, all right. So let's do our cheers all together. So again, get your camera ready. We're gonna do cheers. Take a picture, share it on Instagram. Put my name, tag my name on it so I can be able to reshare it. All right, so guys. Oh, that smells definitely good. That's gonna be way much better than last Wednesday. All right, cheers, guys. So hopefully you have time. If you didn't have time to take the picture, just rewind, take that picture, and let's go. Cheers. Wow, this is really good. Oh yeah, boy. That is good. That is some nice beer. All right, so let's see. Hey, guys, we got 20-ish people on. Make sure you smash that like button. We only have 5 likes so far, so make sure you smash that like button, please. That would be very appreciated. All right, so let's see now if we have any comments, questions, subject coming on, and after that, we're gonna trade some break. We're gonna break some trades. I'm already getting drunk. That's not crazy. All right, so Clay, Dr. Pepper, blackberry, raspberry, and vanilla cream today. Man, you got those funky ass recipe, man. To be honest, this is the craziest recipe I heard with no alcohol in it, and this is pretty cool. This is pretty. Clay, you should do a book about that or release those recipes because I think they're pretty interesting. Um, Jay's fancy guys, Clay. Yes. Hey, what's up, caveman? What's up? What's up? All right. Oh, you bought it already done. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. So let's see. I want to drink sex on the beach. Yeah, I want to do sex on the beach. Oh, I mean drink sex on the beach. Hey Roman. Hey, cheers, cheers. Yasmin. All right, dogs are here. All right, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. All right, so now let's go break down some trades. Let's put this camera smaller. All right. So let's talk about, yeah, and sorry guys, if you're looking at my journal recently, I know I've been lazy. I've been so slammed with work, very busy, so I didn't have time to actually wrote description. I was really mad at myself. This is the first time this happened. And yeah, next week I'm gonna be better at it for sure. And just like look at this, like no description, like I no breakdown. Yeah, I was pretty lazy. Not lazy, it was just I was super busy. So yeah. Alright, so let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday was a losing day. Oh my gosh. That was the first time in a while I didn't have a red day. Because usually at the end I always came up on top. But yesterday, you know what? Let's talk about those losers. Alright, so I think that's important. People hide behind losses. I was like, come on, guys. I mean, guys, if you're following people that only show winners, let me tell you something. They are lying to you. Okay? So, if you didn't know that yet, let me tell you. They are fucking lying to you. Alright? So, anyways, cheers, guys. Alright, so let's see here. First time it happened? Yeah, with no description. I would say that's pretty much one of the first week that I was not able to put description on my on my journal. I'm pretty sure. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. I was pretty sure it was first week had some no description. Maybe it happened maybe one or two times before, but I don't think this is a common thing. Most of my trade has a description, nice breakdowns, and yeah. So, anyways, so let's take a look at this. Yeah, Roman, it is really nice, and I like the branding also, like mixtape. It's pretty cool. I guess I'm old school. Probably only me and Clay know what's a mixtape. So, well, probably Mike. I think too. I'm not sure. Oh, I missed last Wednesday. Oh. Okay, Mike is on my case. Shit, I gotta better watch out. And my students on my case. Fuck. All right, I'll be careful. All right, so now let's break this down. Okay. So this thing, yeah. Oh yeah, what a trade. What a losing trade actually. Okay, so now I have no notes, but I do remember. Hopefully I remember correctly. Let me put myself back in it. Just for a second. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, perfect. So price was coming down. I mean, this is GA, okay? This is GA. Price is coming down. Made a high here, but this is not a new high, right? So it's a higher low, so we're pushing down to the downside. So we are on a bearish trend on this intersection. So price came down here, made a new low, came back up to retest this low, and this was the plan to retest, to retest the low here. So this happened during London's. No, hold on, wait a second. This happened. Oh, this happened when we were trading. Oh yeah, okay. So okay, so let's take a look at this. So we had a first opportunity right here when a resistance was formed here. We had a first opportunity, but price was right at this QP. So I was like, no. So next candle now came bearish. There's no entry possible. This one, 730, was way too early for impulse entry, and it's super close to this support, so there is no entry here. But next candle, push down super strong, close under this support. Very nice big candle. Closing above this QP. So what I waited is basically I waited for this candle to wick up, because this is the 8:30 a.m. candle. So this is NY open. So I can expect volume to continue the push down. So this setup, I usually win on it. So I was not mad losing on this. It just didn't play out, right? So I mean, if you look at it, price came up, came down after, broke this low, went to how many pips? Went to It went to 10-ish pips profit, you know. So I missed my auto break even by 1 pip. So this is crazy. So I missed my auto break even by 1 pip. Where is what? Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, no, 15 pip is right here. Yeah, this is wrong. So I don't know what is it. Okay, let me do this. Put the entry here. So price went to 10 pips profit, right? 10 pips profit. So I missed my auto break even by 1 pip, basically. And price came down, and actually didn't came down, but my partial was right here at 15 pips. Okay. So unfortunately, price came back and took me out, right? So when price came down over here, I had 4 entries on that setup, and I closed 2 entries when we came back to entry at break even. So 2 position was closed in full, and that's it. The rest got full stop. It is what it is, right? This setup didn't play out. Now, why this setup didn't play out? So now let's take a look at it. Price came down, and we knew that we had a support here, which I didn't put before, so I put that after. So knowing this now, I was like, man, okay, this was quite a tight range. If you look at it, if you wait to break that low here, this is like 4 pips before this support. So this was probably the mistake. I didn't put that zone. If I knew that this zone wasn't there, probably I would not be taking this trade, or taking this trade with a smaller entry, not 4 entries. Probably 1 or 2 entries. Expecting NY open to break this support, but yeah, you know what? It got rejected. So yeah, the other thing I need to be careful, and you'll see that on my second trade on GA. But I need to look at this. Look at this. Last time that we hit that support, this level right here. Last time it just shoot the hell up. You know, shoot up right over here. So a lot of the time you need to look left and see and look what price did before, and most of the time price will react to those areas and kind of mirror those moves. So all right, so let's take a look at the next trade. Do we before we move on, let's see if we have any question here. All right. um Roman waves push the tides away, the pips can roll in. I mean, money of XRP back into the. Oh, okay. Pretty influential person here in the States. Okay. Okay. Okay, you guys chatting together. That's all good. This is Friday. I mean, that's okay. Kind of like, oh, okay. Oh, I did saw that Ellen and Dodge coin tweet. I didn't saw that. Hopefully that was positive. Geez, give me some FOMO to buy a little piece of Bitcoin. Oh no. Wait, man, Bitcoin's gonna go down to 20K, man. Wait. Yeah, man, he was saying cause it's not taxed, which I'm not sure is okay. Alright, so let's move to the next trade. Oh, what the hell happened? What the hell just happened here? Am I still live? I don't know. I don't even know if I'm still live. I lost my YouTube window. So I guess what the hell just happened? What? So I have no clue if I'm still live, but let's find out. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm having a technical issues here. So I have no clue what happened. Am I still live? I have no clue if I'm still live or not. Alright, am I still live? Alright, what hold on, wait a second. What happened here? Okay, am I still live? Look, I'm still live. Okay, sorry guys. I don't know what happened here. Hi Sasha, hi Claudio. Can anyone confirm that I'm still live? Because I have no clue what just happened. My Google just closed and I lost YouTube. I lost everything. So just want to make sure we're still live. Cheers, guys. Hopefully you're there. Let's see, let's see. Am I error YouTube? Reçoit un signal insuffisant pour maintenir une décision constante. Par contre, une mise en mémoire tampon sera nécessaire. What the? I have no clue what's going on here. We're still live, coach. Okay, you're live. Okay, perfect. So sorry about that, guys. I have no clue what's going on. Okay, you guys hear me. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Sorry about that. I have no clue what happened again. Okay, so now let's move on to the next trade. All right, so okay, perfect. We're live. Okay, so this was my other trade here on GA. So the trade I just showed before was my second attempt. This is the first attempt of that trade. This one, okay, look at this, guys. When I tell you I don't take any more impulse entry, here is the reason. Because every time impulse entry, most of my impulse entry is a loser, and this one is a pretty good example. This one was a pure impulse entry, no dogtail setup, very, very, very. Sorry, there's someone playing beside my car. Like, who the fuck is? He's leaving. Okay. So anyway, so this is a basic impulse entry. Okay, so let's take a look at this. All right, so price was coming down. So when I saw this candle starting to break this low here, that is where I enter. Because I mean, it was 8 a.m. Eastern, and I was expecting price to just push, and unfortunately, price pushed and whoop, came down, came back up to my entry. So and took me out. Took me out. So I closed everything. Actually, it didn't took me out, but when I saw the price was in going back in that range, and I was not patient with my drawdown, I decided to close everything in full. Because I mean, it went in profit for like how many pips? How many pips was in profit? It was in profit for 10-ish pips. So again, missed my auto break even by 1 pip again. So when price came back up, I was like, you know what? Screw this. I'm closing everything before I get stopped. full, so I closed everything there. So that's why now after that, when price came back down and break that low, I decided to give my trade a second chance, having this dogtail set up, and this one just didn't play out either. So it was you know what? That's something usually I don't jump back into a trade right away, but I was like, man, I know this is gonna work, and didn't work. So it is what it is. So that was two back-to-back loss, and after that, I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm done. But thankfully, that same day, let's move on to TradingView. That same day, I had a nice. Oh, actually, I think I journaled it on Trixie also. That same day, I was also doing the 22, right? Yes. So I was doing my Funding Talent Challenge account. I do one trade, one candle, the same setup every day. And this one turned out into a pretty nice winner. So I called that setup my NY Dogtail setup because this is based on the NYSE volume. So if you look, so basically I wait for the 9 a.m. candle to close. So once this 9 a.m. candle to close, bearish, very nice bearish candle. Price was in a momentum, just broke major QP, so it made totally sense. So what I waited for a wick up. This one didn't wick up much because it was pushing so hard at the end of this candle. I was like, I cannot expect a big wick. So it kind of tiny wick and broke the low. So I took the entry right away, and I risked 2% on that. This is my Funding Talent Challenge account. So this was a 23 pip stop loss, and I always aim a 1-to-1 on that trade. So this is the one trade you guys actually saw my story that I was not able to close the trade because Cut4X, the platform of that broker, was frozen. So that broker was frozen. My trade was not exiting. I was so mad. I actually contacted Funding Talent, and right away they took care of it, and everything was fixed in no time. So customer service at Funding Talent, thumbs up. You guys rock. Right. So yeah, so this turned out to be a very nice winner. A very nice 2% win here on that challenge account. So now that challenge account is back to break even. All right, so now let's talk about today. All right, today, what a day! All right, so let's take a look. So this is our H4 golden zone right here. Price never went up there. So mainly price was bearish, on. I mean, if you look at 4 hours, we are totally bearish here. So boom, we broke that structure. Finally broke under that crazy ass range to the left. Man, I can't wait to leave this area because this area, man, holy, price action is tricky. So if I can leave this area, it's gonna be great. But now again, we're forming that bullshit ass range here again. So if you look on H1, it's brutal. All right, so let's take a look how we were able to manage a nice trade. So price came down, and what we did, we were expecting price made resistance over here, right? And price came down and formed support at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. So what I did is I plot my fib from there to there, and this was our golden zone right here on this 30-minute time frame. So price formed resistance right in that golden zone. So it was pretty good. It was a nice bearish engulfing candle closing under this 750 QP. To be honest, that would be my kind of trade. I will take the entry right here on the opening of the candle. But my problem was the range. So we only had like 8 pips before that minor support. So because of that, I need to respect my own rules. I was like, no, the range is not big enough. I'm not taking it. Of course, it's nice. It played out, right? But most of the time, it will not play out. It will go against you. So that's why I stick to my rules. So the trade was the range was way too small. So what I did is just waited for the next candle. So waited for this next candle, and if you look on H1, we had a nice resistance form, and look at this big ass bearish engulfing candle. So that was a pretty nice sign for me that we have a lot of bearish pressure here to continue down and retest this support for sure. So now knowing this, what I did, I waited for this candle to break, not to break, but to close, sorry. I waited for the next candle to actually, based on H1, sorry, this trade was based on H1. I actually took the entry right at the opening of the candle. So what happened over here, this trade was based on H1. So I waited for this candle to close. Once it was closed, as soon as this candle opened, I entered. But what happened is when it opened, it actually spiked up very quickly. So my entry was like right here at 668. So that was my entry. Actually, it was 667, I remember correctly. Or yeah, 667 if I'm not wrong. But my entry was right here. So now after that, if you look, partial TP, not partial TP, but auto break even was kind of right here. So right here, auto break even got triggered, and price played with me for a while before hitting my 15 pips, because it went here to 13 pips, you know, and you can ask any students that, because I trade live with my students, right, every day. So you can ask any students. I was like, oh man, I should not be greedy on a Friday. I mean, we're tapping into the support. I should close full, you know. And you know what? I was just a little bit patient. It played, it came back up, came back down, came back up, came back down, and finally, bam! Destroyed that partial TP. So closed 80% of the trade, and I had like 20% running. And yeah, I mean, I closed full, I think it was like at 44 pips if I'm not wrong, or 40 pips, I can't remember correctly. But yeah, it was pretty good. Nice trade. Pretty simple, man. Pretty simple. Pretty textbook, to be honest. So yeah, any question on that? Cheers, guys. All right, so let's see. Let's see, do we have any question? I want to retire. Oh, you should, man. Have fun. Bonjour Tasha, bonjour Kassim, bonjour. Sorry I'm late, but can I control your screen for a sec? I think this will stay forever, Kassim, right? Une queue de chien. Ooh, that's a nice translation, Corey. Good job. I want to buy a rental before I turn 25. Same difference I get. Oh, okay. Sasha, I want you to please explain a little bit more in detail about your GJ that you have done and 9 a.m. Eastern trade idea. Is it 30-minute candle? So you trade the 9 a.m. candle. Oh, I guess I just explained it before. So again, so this didn't play out, you know, on the 30-minute. If you look, the trade I usually take for my challenge account, I basically wait for price to break the low here. It did break, but it actually spiked up way just after it. Actually, it braked first. Sorry, I remember. So it break the low first with no wick form before. So I always wait for a wick to form, and when price start pushing back down, I enter right here at the break of the low. But this didn't play out. So that's what I do, and I always put my stop loss above or under, whatever the direction I use, of the previous candle, and I use 2% risk trade and a percentage based, and whatever, if it's 30 pips stop loss or 40 pips or 50 pips stop loss, always do the same thing, and I aim for 1-to-1. And over 200 trades, my win ratio on that setup is 72%, and this is something I shared with my students on Discord. Hey guys, cheers again. So again, if you're having a drink with me, please share a picture on Instagram on your story, tag my name in it. Have a cheers together, virtual cheers. All right, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. We have over 30 people here. We have 17 likes. There's no freaking way I'm leaving here without 25 likes at least. Come on, guys, help me out. Help me out, guys. No, I didn't took the NYSC Dogtail setup today. It is always good to diversify. Okay. You guys talk. Okay. How to back this for free? Thanks a lot for your time, Sasha. Oh, you're welcome, Alexandro. Okay, so how to back this for free? There's two ways. You can actually go on TradingView and just you can back this by looking at your setup. But the problem with this is you always see those candles before or after. What you can do is you can do on Trixie. So you get into on Trixie.trade. And this I don't give a shit because I don't pay my Trixie, so I don't get nothing out of this. So I don't care. But if you use this coupon, I'm gonna post it in the chat. This is for people who wants to try it. I have nothing for that, to be honest. I don't give a shit. I receive no money for that. For each friend that you invite, you get so I don't get this because I don't pay for it. Your friend get 50, so you can get 50% discount, but you can also get it for free for the first 15 days. So you can go on Trixie and back this for free. How? Trixie is a journal, right? But the new thing with Trixie is you can actually open up a chart like this, and you can put it full screen, let's say, and you can do the replay. So you press here, this replay. So now let's go back to in time, and let's select a date somewhere around here. Okay, so let's have fun. Okay, let's select a date here. Okay, so perfect. So now let's move on to 30 minutes. Where is it? Oh, right here. All right, so let's put it bigger. All right, so and you can back this for free for 15 days. After that, you gotta pay. I think is it $7 or $8? I can't remember, but it's pretty cheap because you can journal your trade. Plus, you can back this, right? So let's back this NYSC setup just for fun, since we are there and we're Friday, right? So just let's have fun. So this is all right. So this is 8 a.m. So let's move on. Let's move on to this is 4. This is 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30, right? Is that 8:30? Yes. So 9 a.m. All right. So usually I will not take the setup on this kind of candle because it's we just established support. I mean this is not a big candle, so let's wait for the next one. Yeah, next one is no help either. So yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna take that setup. So thank God it's ranging. Because this setup doesn't work when it's ranging, and this was Friday, as you see. This was a Friday. So let's move on to the next day, and then we'll back this for just for fun. Because we are Friday and we're chilling all together. All right. I think I'm way too happy today. My pool is getting ready, so this get me pretty excited, to be honest. Man, I can't wait to do a Forex talk over beer in my pool. Damn, that's gonna be sick. That is next level. I'm still gonna do it. You know me, guys. I mean, you're starting to know me. All right, so 6:30, 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30. Right? Oh, this is 9. Okay, so 9 a.m. Okay, so we're broke out of the range. Okay, so this can make sense. Let's try it. Let's try it. So let's see. So basically, long positions. We need to break this high, but we need to form a wick first, right? So stop's going to be right here, which is 13 pips. And we're going to aim for 13 pips. And we're going to risk 2%, right? But again, we need to wick first and break the high. So let's see. Oh, actually, full TP. All right, thank you very much. Okay. So I guess first win here. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Put this smaller. Let's do 5 of those. Just for fun. Just for fun, baby. Just for fun. So this is 8 130. 7. What? 8. 8:30, 9. All right, so 9. This is the 9 a.m. candle, right? All right, perfect. So we need to break again this wick, and stop is going to be all the way down there, which is going to be like 42 pips, and we're going to aim for 42 pips. All right, that's going to be a crazy ass one. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we have any question here before I move on. So hopefully, Alexandro, that answered your question. And don't forget to smash that like button, guys. I'm 3 likes away from my goal, which is 25 tonight. It's a small goal, right? So help me out. I wasn't better to take the entry after the candle crossed that support. I was afraid that candle didn't close behind that support. Oh, I guess I'm going to have to go back in the chart because I'm not sure. Can you please show how you drew fibs? It's going to be hard to show on this episode because I can show you the basic, but I mean, the video I have on my course like over an hour on this, so it's going to be really hard to show like in a short way. So let's see. Can you please? Okay, Sasha, are trade like Raja or you have your own strategy? Sorry, I'm new here. Hey, by the way, welcome. But I learned a lot of stuff from Raja. I learned a lot, and I will thank him for the rest of my day. But I came up with my own kind of how can I say that? My own kind of recipe, right? So basically, what I did is I invested thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars into courses and mentorship, and so I learned from different people. So what I did is I took everything that was actually working for me and dropped all the rest. So the thing that was really missing was price action. So I learned price action with Raja, and after that, I kind of incorporated all the other stuff I learned, and I kind of did my own recipe. And you can ask my students. It's quite different. It's quite different. There's some similar stuff also, but there's some difference also. So yeah. The best thing would be to watch the live stream that I have on YouTube. There's plenty of those. They are free. You can watch it. You'll see it's a little different. But there's also some similar stuff. All right, so let's see. Can you please, okay, Sasha, okay. Which candle you trade on? It's 9 a.m. candle, 9:30. Okay, so I guess I'm answering this right now. I thought you took the buys at the NYSE open after the nice big bullish engulfing close. No, I was done trading at this time, Kasim. Already had my win on the short, so I was like, no, fuck it. And it's Friday, right? So, do you use soft forex for simulation? I found it so confusing. I do use soft forex. Yes, I kind of like it, to be honest. I really like it. It's old school, but I kind of like it. Hey, Sasha, have an awesome weekend. Oh, this is Karen. Karen, cheers, girl. Karen, I love Karen. Karen is such a nice person. Hey, Sasha, how do you deal with emotion while trading? Because today I overtrade. I closed trade at B, and 40 seconds after this price moved straight to my TP, and I took more trades from revenge. Yeah, man, revenge trading is one of your worst enemy, boy. Man, you gotta. There's no magic way, guys. People always ask the same question, but there's no magic way. There's only discipline, right? You gotta write those rules and put it in front of your screen and stick with those rules, So you say 1 or 2 or 3 trades a day, whatever it is, but you stick with that. Even me, to be honest, I fucked up this week. I fucked up. As my student, I was super honest with them because I'm always honest. I'm always transparent. I don't give a shit. I got nothing to prove, but I'm super honest. I said to my boys and girls, actually, we got one girl, so girl. So I told them, guys, I fucked up. I'm not proud of myself. I actually end up in blue. So it was good, but I took a fork trade. And that was the first time I took fork trade in like probably a year and a half, So, hey, thank you guys. We just reached 25 likes, by the way. Thank you very much. Now, let's try to get to 30 likes. That would be amazing. But yeah, so there's no magic way, man. There's no magic way. to get out of revenge trading. You just got to understand that the market is going to be there tomorrow, and you will have more setups and more entries and bigger opportunity. So stop freaking out when you see big candle moving up, and close your MT4 and just come back on the next day. That's it, guys. That's it. Just move to the next day. There's no magic way. You're just gonna be straight here. It's like someone trying to go on a diet, right? But it's like, I think I'm gonna get an hamburger today. Like, dude, you on a fucking diet? It's like, yeah, let me get a French fries. What the fuck? It's like, so this is self discipline. You got it. There's nobody who can teach you self discipline, right? This is just you looking at yourself in the mirror. It's like, yeah, you know what? Tonight, I decide it's enough. Enough. Tonight is enough. I decide it's enough. I'm not taking any more 15-minute trades. I'm not over trading anymore. I'm fucking done. I'm done losing for stupid shit. That's exactly what I did. If you've been following me for a while, and if you didn't, let me put you through this. So a couple of weeks ago, I was like, you know what? Taking trades out of a consolidation zone without a proper break and retest or dogtail setup, fuck you breakouts. I'm not gonna trade you anymore. I'm done losing on that fucking setup. I'm done. So I decided I was done. I'm not touching it anymore. I'm not touching it. This is done. This is in my head. As like, Sasha, you're done losing on that kind of setup. You're done. So you gotta put that in your head. You're the only one who can do that. No one can teach you that, No one. You just gotta put that into your head. Say, yeah, enough is enough. I'm done, right? So, but you gotta look at yourself in the mirror and say, hey, man, if I keep doing this, I'm gonna keep losing. So, what should I do? Should I stop or should I continue? You should fucking stop, So, all right. So hopefully that helps. Hey, Sasha, how do you do? Oh, okay, I guess I answered that. Thank you, bro. Cheers. Hey, cheers, Amex. Oh, cheers, man. I have a good one from +7 UTC time zone. Oh, so +7. This is, oh, yeah, it's late. All right, so let's take a look at this trade now. All right, so we're going to take 3 more like those, and we're going to call it the day. So far, we didn't broke the high, right? So we don't broke the high. We're not in the trade. So now we are in a trade. But to be honest, to be honest with you, usually after the second candle, like right here, if we didn't broke it, I don't take it. But just for the fun of it, let's see. Yeah, that's what yeah, you see. So this one, remove it. So far we got 101. So 10:30. Oh, actually I just passed it. Oh shit. Too bad. 9 a.m. So again, this was the break of this high. So this one would have been a loser on this one, but I went too fast. Go. 3. Holy shit. What's up with those big ass candle? Holy. So this is 8, 8:30, 9. Alright, so 9 a.m. But with a bullish push like this, I will not take a bearish here. Maybe it was news though. Maybe it was news and can be corrected. So, but it's not gonna be this is like, if it breaks here, this is like what? Oh, it's 20 pips. Okay. But I really think we're gonna push up. So this is not the kind of setup I will take. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go to the next day. Alright, so this is 1:30. So right now we only took one trade, one win. Oh shit, this one way too fast. This is the 9 a.m. candle. So basically that was right here. And when price is trending like this really hard, that's where I take it. So let's say break the low here. There would be a 26 pips or 26 pip gain. Oh yeah, that would have hit 6. Yeah, right here. So yeah, That would have worked. So yeah. So that's the second trade. I mean, even if I didn't see that, I would have taken it. So this is 2 out of 2. Let's move on to next week. So this is the weekend. Oh, what a gap here. Holy shit. What a gap. Crazy. What time is it now? It's like, so this is okay. All right, so we got 3 more trades to take here, and we're gonna call it day. 7:30, 8:30, right? 8:30, so 9. All right, so let's try this. All right, so let's see here. So we need to break this high. Up here. So this is 24 pips, aiming for 24 pips, 1-to-1. All right, let's see. We are in the trade. And we got it stopped out. So we got 2 win, 1 loss. This is 7:30, 8:30, right? 9. All right, so let's see. So this one, long position. So we need to break this high again. Stop here. Just like 17-ish. So let's go. Let's see. So we are not in the trade yet. We are not in the trade. Yeah, we're not taking this trade. So we're still 2 win, 1 loss. Going to next day. So this is 3:30. This is 8:30, 9. All right, so let's do this again. So long position, we need to break this high. And this is like 24 pips. Go for 24 pips. Go. What? Oh, wow. Okay. So 2 and 2. Wow, this is rare. Well, I guess this one. Hold on, wait a second. 9:30. Yeah, broke the high. Yeah, okay. That was legit. Didn't work out. Okay. 7, 8, 8:30. All right, so 9. Yeah, I would definitely wait for this next candle to print. Oh yeah, this no trade here. So we're 2 and 2, right? 3:30. Do this again. Oh shit, I went too fast. Anyways, it's ranging. So let's go to the next day. So again, this setup doesn't show up every day, you know? So you gotta be patient. But I did over 200 trades of that. So, and again, this week and last week, I was, man, price was so rangy that it didn't work out very well. This setup works very well when it's trending. All right, so let's see. What time is it? Night. What time is it now? 1:30 to 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, right? 30, 9. All right, so let's move on here. Long position here. We need to break this high and 16-ish pips. Let's see. No, we're not in the trade yet. So we're not taking this. So it's still 2 and 2. God damn. 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30, 8. Right? Oh, 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30. Right? Okay. So I would definitely wait for this next candle to print. Yeah, that's what I. No good. Again, so we gotta wait. Gotta be patient in trading, right? 3:30, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 9. Oh, this is no way I'm taking this on this small body candle. Wow, this is a boring month, I guess I took. Um, 3:30. Man, what a boring month. 8, 8:30, 9. All right. Ah, man, this is so small. So I'm not taking this also. Wow, I just want to do the last one. God damn, can you believe it? The weekend. Can you believe it? Man, I'm telling you, I just like this is 2019, right? In 2020, no problem giving this setup. Like I said, I did over 200 trades in 2020. It was working pretty well, so I guess market can be different, but all right, so let's take a look here. This is 2. Oh, 9:30. Fuck, I mixed it. But that would be pretty good. It's not too late though, because technically it just broke, right? So let's see here. Long position. So I need to break this high after, and this stop is going to be right on the 9 a.m. candle. So this is 30 pips. So we're going to aim for 30 pips. And let's go. We are in the trade. Oh, and we got stopped out. All right, so I guess this one in 2019, it's not working very well, to be honest. But we cannot say that because this is only 5 trades, right? So, but on the bigger picture, works pretty well. So, like I said, I can, if you look here on Discord, I don't even know if I can retrace this. Should be somewhere. Should be somewhere over here. No, here. General. I have to go way back up here. We have a very nice gang of people. Here. Oh, it is. Hold on. What is? Oh, this is Francesco. Great music background. Okay, here. So if you look at this is the same setup I took in 2020. I did, if you see here, I did 195 trades. 140 was winners, 55 losers. Did with 100K account, I did 276,000 profit. I also did another one here because my simulation was ending. I didn't have any more dates available, so I did one. Why it's not showing up here, but basically you can see here. I don't know why it's not showing, but it's 8 trades more total. And I got one loser, one, what is it? 7 winners and 1 loser, right? So, anyways, so I don't know why it's not pumping up, but yeah, you know what? It is what it is. Man, this beer is done. So let's see if we have any last questions. And we're gonna call it a day. And this is the weekend, guys. So let's see. Hey Sasha, how do you do? Okay, I answered that. It's nearly 1 a.m. Ooh, all right. And just a couple of glasses of wine, right? Yes, Karen. Come on. One more question. Don't you think trading Forex will be closed soon? Why is that? I think the volume is smaller with time and broker are limiting their leverage lower. Limiting the leverage lower is actually pretty good, to be honest. I don't mind about that. I don't give a shit, to be honest. I don't use a lot of leverage. Um and will be closed soon. I was like, why? Banks are making tons of money from retail traders because they don't know shit what they're doing. So, why? It's actually good for them. I've noticed it between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. There are better entries. Yes, because there's volume in the market. That's why you got to understand how our market works. NY open, NYSE open, London closed in that time. So there's 3 major thing that makes the volume bigger. So that's why. One more like, guys. Come on, man. Oh yeah, we're missing 1 like for 30. Oh shit, come on, let's do it. I guess you forgot about doing Wheel of Fun or Zoom access. Yeah, no, I didn't forgot, but I'm trying to find a way to advertise it and market the right way. Because I really like your idea, Mike. It's really good. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out something out. Maybe like a 2 days access, a 1 day access, or a week access. I don't know. I need to brainstorm more about that, but it's really good idea. Trading forex can never close. Yeah, no. Over a weekend you can trade. Okay, perfect. All right, so guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you Tuesday morning, and students, well, I'm going to see them Monday, but also Sunday. Sunday, we're going to have our first French simulation. Usually we do English simulation, but this is going to be our first French one. So again, guys, cheers. Hey, Sasha, can you please share how do you back this on Trixie once again? Oh, I mean, it's going to be saved on YouTube, so just rewind it. You're going to be able to see it in just a second, right? So we need one more like before we leave. One more. Can we get it? Can we get one more like? Who's the hero? Who is the hero? There we go. Thank you, guys. Hey, cheers, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. All right, take care, guys. Cheers.